Okay, we have an issue. This thing has a lip broken. It's actually pretty common on the Preludes, maybe even Accords and Civics, I don't know at this age, but originally the mirror is supposed to be put in and then twisted, and it should be properly seated like that. It does not, of course, because this one area is gone. So what I intend to do now is to turn it around, put my shrine, marked it inside, so I now know where this will be and where it will fit. And I intend to drill holes through there, tap it and make it nice on the other side, put in longer screws, and then put it in permanently.
Oh, that's me. Oh, you hope.
Sorry about the mess. Nope. So I have punched, drilled one hole, we'll do the second. So there's the second, and that should fit perfectly in the holder. Then I need to drill it out so it fits, and I must countersunk it, sink it on both sides, and find nice screws that will go flush, or find some decoration caps or something on it. So far so good. Maybe you didn't see it, huh? So again, here is the two holes, so they will go in. I will countersink, drill it to the right dimension, I think it's 6 millimeters, and then countersink on both sides to make a screw flush. Yep. So I have drilled up to the right dimension, and I have here the screw which goes in. This is not pretty, it's not going to be this one. I found, let me see, I had it, like everything, I had it 2 seconds ago. So this is a countersunk. It's still too short, so I need something longer, but I will try to get that down by using my old countersunk bit. Something like that. And I'll do the second. So that's about the same, I think. Let me see how this fits then. Pretty flush. So if I get some nice screw, this might be a nice solution. But as for now, it's supposed to be like that. Take it out here. Too short, doesn't go through. So I need longer screws. I'll search for, or I need to buy them. But I think this might be a solution that is always good. There we are. It's possible to adjust. Everything is good. Ha! Quick fix. It doesn't look too bad. I'll probably find some better screws, nicer screws, but so far, good.